Welcome back, folks. In this video we will go over how to create an item that we can push around and climb on top to get to the places where we typically cannot get to. For example, this platform over here. Right now it is too high for us to climb on, so we'll need to create something that we can use as a stepping stool. So let's create a new object. It will be a sprite. We're gonna call it block, and they'll create with Piscal. It's gonna be just a square. Click save, idle, rename animation, click apply, let's drag it out, increase in size. Let's double click on it, go to behaviors, we'll add a platform behavior, and this is fine. Here in the type, change it to jump through platform. Okay, click apply, and then we're gonna double click on it again, go to behaviors, and we're gonna add a behavior called physics. And we'll leave it as dynamic, everything else is fine. Click apply. Now the reason we do the physics platform behavior is to fix some of the bugs that will come with the pushing the crate. Now one thing to do is we have to add physics behavior to other objects, otherwise this one will just fall right through. So let's double click on our ground, go to behaviors, add a behavior, physics engine 2.0 as well. This time we'll change type to static, click apply, and we'll do same thing with this wall. Behaviors, add a behavior, physics engine, set it to static, click apply. Okay, the next step is to actually write a code. So let's go to our level 1, let's close this, let's create a new event. Create a new event group, we're gonna call it push block. Alright, so let's add the conditions. So what we want to do is basically when our main character is in collision with the box, we press a key, we press the arrow button, and now we can push it left or right. Okay, so a couple things we can do here. So let's do first one, let's do add condition. Let's say collision between our main character and the block. We want to press a key press, let's say F, and we want to press a key for movement, will be right arrow key to move it to the right, click OK. So now what we want to do is we want to push that block. To do that, we will basically have to change the x-axis coordinate to that of the main character. To do that, let's add an action. Let's say position, x position of the block. We will set it to the main character. Let's say center x, and we'll do plus 50 to offset it, so it's not right in the middle of our character. Click OK. Let's go back to our level, let's preview. So now we'll come to the block, we press F, we'll be able to push it. When we'll go to the left, nothing happens, only to the right. So let's add another button, let's close this, let's add another one. We will Control C, Control V this, drag it down. This time will be the left arrow key. So now when we push it left, we want to change this position to, well, let's leave it as is, I'll show you. Click preview. Let's come over here. So we press the arrow key and press F to drag it to the right, but to the left doesn't work. See? To do that, let's go over here. Let's add this coordinate. Let's set it to -50. No, let's delete this plus right here. Okay, let's preview. Okay, now it's moving, but as you can see here, our character is behind it. So let's go back, let's fix that. Let's do -150, and let's preview. Here we go. Alright, now let's drag it to our ledge, let's jump on it, Here we go. And just like that, we're able to create a crate to push around. Now here's an interesting bug. If you stay on top of it, you press the arrow key to the left or right and then press F to drag it. Look what happens. So it still does it, but now we got stuck behind the column. Alrighty folks, I will see you in the next video.